Clogged air conditioner condensate drain lines can usually be cleared at home, but persistent backups mean you should call a professional. Start by turning off the air conditioner at the thermostat and the breaker to avoid electrical hazards. Use a wet-dry vacuum at the outdoor condensate drain or at the indoor drain pan drain opening to pull out sludge and algae, holding the vacuum for at least 1 minute to clear the trap. Flush the line with distilled white vinegar, using a funnel or a hand pump to kill organic growth. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before flushing with water. Remove and clean the secondary drain pan and pan float switch if present, because a stuck float can create false trips and mask ongoing leaks. Inspect the drain line for soft spots or kinks along exposed runs and replace any crushed sections with rigid PVC glued with primer and cement following manufacturer solvent cement cure times. If the system is older, check the condensate pump for squirrel cage debris and test the pump motor by applying a low voltage from the unit control board only after confirming power is off. Replace the pump if the motor hums without spinning. Keep a preventive maintenance habit of monthly vinegar flushes during humid months and schedule annual checks with a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning professional to inspect coils, airflow, and drain integrity. The most common mistake is working with power, on which risks injury and equipment damage. So always switch off both thermostat and breaker before accessing the drain. If you are unsure which breaker, stop and call a technician. A second issue is using bleach as a first fix because it can corrode metal components and degrade plastic seals. Use distilled white vinegar for biological buildup and reserve stronger chemicals for technician use. Third, homeowners often overlook a failing condensate pump or pan that hides the real problem. If the drain clears but water still accumulates or the float switch keeps tripping, that is a clear sign to contact a qualified heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project knowledge. Our site helps contractors find work and participate in a discussion community where we and other members exchange tips, ask questions, and share experiences.